Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Hope you're doing very well and be ready to start making a very beautiful yet simple ear cuff. All we need is wire that I'm using 1 millimeter thick one. You could use even 0.8 wire. Also your round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and of course yourself. Before starting forming the wire, we should draw a map of the ear that we are going to make this ear cuff for. And to do that, you could simply place this paper on your ear and then determine the maximum points on your ear and then attach them with curved lines. And this would be the ear that we are going to make a very beautiful ear cuff for. Next, we need to pick up our wire and also the round nose pliers. Now we are going to make a very beautiful flower with this wire. Keep the wire tight between the pliers and then make a loop just like this. Then next to the first loop, again put your round nose pliers and make another loop just next to that first loop and approximately at the same size. Then repeat this for another loop. Till now we have a 3-petal like flower or plant, and we are going to continue that for 5 times because this is going to be a 5-petal flower. Till now we have 4 of that, and then this would be the last loop, and our flower is going to be completed. I would push it so that I would have a very beautiful flower here. Okay, now I'm going to make this wire curved by making it fixed with my round nose pliers, and then with my thumb I would form it a little curved line. And then here somewhere at the top, again put your round nose pliers and wrap the wire all around to have another loop at the middle. And a little more above, we are going to make a leaf. Then I would keep the wire with round nose pliers, and with my finger I would make a curve like this, and again another complete bend. I'm going to push it with my chain nose pliers to have an edge at this point. Then I would open it up a little with round nose pliers and again make it rounded to have this nice leaf. Till now we are going to check it out, and we would put it on the ear. So this is all good, and we are going to continue forming the wire till the top of this ear. So let's form it a little more. Here I'm going to make another loop. Instead, you could make another leaf. Okay, I'm going again to check it out, and almost done. At this point, I'm going to put my round nose pliers and make a bend, just like this. And again, at about 3 or 4 millimeters, and the size depends on the size and the width of the ear that you are going to make this jewelry for. And again, make a bend. This would be something like this. And we are going to make this strand a little curved. And I'm going to do that with my fingers and my thumb, of course. And you know that the wire type that we use in wire jewelries is typically and usually the dead soft or soft one for the most common wire forms and shapes. Okay, at the end we are going to make another loop and close this shape, and that would be our very beautiful and easy ear cuff that is going to be on the ear somehow like this. And if you suppose this is your ear, this would be put on your ear just like this, and there is no need for studs or earring hooks. It just plays onto your ear and is perfect for the one that his ear doesn't have any holes. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any opinions or ideas or even any questions, please comment it for me. I would be so happy to talk to you and know more about your ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.